Okay, it's the snowstorm. It's moving in. It's a little bit heavier than it was last night. My son's all walking up forward like, oh my God, it's gonna snow. Don't fall on your ass, bro. The river's right there. I would not know how to explain to people. Yeah, my son's an ice cube. Yes. And there is a river down there. It's underneath all that snow. Don't. What are you doing? Hey, it don't go there. It don't go there. This is a river. It's all frozen over right now. You've probably seen this bridge on a couple of my other videos. Over flooding. But now it's frozen. It's frozen. You want to go ice skating? I'm a good dad. I take my kids ice skating. We don't need ice skates. I can just push you in. It's only cold at first. You know, do this stuff, people freak out. And I just see the glory of God in every snowflake and every happy memory. Thank you, Lord, for being with me once again.